everyone, welcome to my first vlog and something really interesting is happening today. I am going to meet Ghaziabad's biggest vlogger. Yes, you heard it right, not blogger, vlogger with a V. If you have any guesses, drop them in the comments below while I'm going there. While I'm going to show you. By the way, I'm in Ghaziabad and I've heard that there's a lot of theft and a lot of crime that happens here. So I'm really afraid that someone will break into this cab window and snatch my camera away from me. So I'm gonna show you when I meet this vlogger. Alright, see you. Do your thing. You were singing something.
I know, I was about to sing something. What song should I sing?
You were singing something.
That was Yara Dosti.
Yeah, to sing that.
Okay. Yeah.
Is that your singing style?
It's difficult.
No, that's your singing style, I think.
No.
Yeah.
Why? I don't laugh midway. Okay, this is my singing style.
Yeah.
That's it.
Why don't you hold it for a minute? मैं करती हूँ.
Okay, no, I'll you play this song and I'll take you through this journey.
I don't even know how I look. You look cutie. Aww. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. Today I swear I'm not doing anything, nothing at all. Nothing at all. I'm gonna kick my feet up and stare at the fan, turn the TV on, throw my hand in my pants. Nobody's gonna tell me I can't. I'll be lounging on the couch, just chilling in my Snuggies. Click to MTV so they can teach me how to Dougie. 'Cause in my castle I'm the freaking man. Oh yes, I said it, I said it, I said it 'cause I can. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything, nothing at all. High five me. Nothing at all. That was so good. Oh my god. So we are finally in Ghaziabad with Ghaziabad's biggest and the most famous vlogger, Surbhi Bagga.
Thank you.
The camera is still focusing on us, so please keep this position for a little while. Did it focus? Yeah,
I think so.
Okay. So पिछले वीडियो में, इससे पहले वाले क्लिप्स में आपने देखा कि मैं कैसे डर रही थी गाजियाबाद में आने से कि यहाँ पे क्रिमिनल्स हैं, बट अब मैं क्रिमिनल के घर में आ चुकी हूँ.
जी हाँ.
जो कि इनका क्राइम ये है कि ये हम लोग को फूट फूट के हंसाती हैं एंड देन ओवरथिंक करवाती हैं इन द ओवरथिंक टैंक. So basically it's been, मतलब हमने पूरा दिन we've spent the whole day.
Yeah, we've kind of spent the whole day.
Because I forgot to shoot this intro before.
I have to mention something up top, guys. Pasha से मैं पहली बार मुलाकात हुई है मेरी.
Yeah.
Actually हम इंटरनेट फ्रेंड्स थे, इंस्टाग्राम पे एक दूसरे को DM करा करते थे. और आज हम रियल लाइफ में पहली बार मिले हैं. और आते ही मैम ने मेरे घर पे मेरे लिए ही चाय बना दी है और मेरी केचप की बॉटल खोल दी और साथ ही साथ मेरी चप्पलें भी मैम ने यूज करना स्टार्ट कर दिया आज. तो मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि इंटरनेट फ्रेंडशिप बस this is a ode to internet friendship and how strong it becomes within a matter of couple days.
Like honestly, I didn't even notice these things.
Yeah.
Like you were the only one who was like, kind of friends you had before.
I don't know.
So
Thanks for coming and meeting me.
thanks. Yeah, but you're not gonna be thanking me within the next one day. You'll be like,
That's true.
how long are you staying?
Then
there
I
again?
will make a vlog, be like, finally got rid of that bitch.
What have we planned? We don't know. It's a crazy vlogging assignment of 3 days. It's a project. And we'll see if we can become friends in the next 3 days. That is our experiment.
Yeah, we'll find out.
Yeah.
If by the third day,
We want to hit each other or not. Because that's all that friendship is about.
correct.
Yeah.
I totally honey trapped Vipasha. I was like, come to my house in Ghaziabad, the safe part of town. Safe part of town. She's like, ma'am, abhi aati.
Yeah, that too in the middle of a pandemic.
Hats off to you, but thank you so much. I'm actually really excited to be hanging out with someone my own age.
Yeah.
I mean, I like hanging out with fellow creators, but most of my friends have moved apart.
Yeah,
Like
like,
moved to different places. So
Yeah.
I'm glad that I'm making new friends.
we're putting too much pressure on our
I think so too. Yeah. We should delete that part.
So we just had a really busy day, and this is what Surbhi has set up for our nighttime shenanigans. Nighttime shenanigans. Shenanigans is a word that I never thought that I would be using, but I really like this setup. Yeah. So we had a super busy day full of eating a lot of food and meeting up with the family, and then we went on a little walk because the food was a lot. और फिर मैंने बहुत सारे कुत्ते थे तो मैं डर गई and I came back inside. But yeah, I'm having a pretty great time. So it's morning at Surbhi's. Why did I do that? We woke up a while back. I have attended my music class, which was scheduled in the morning, and she has also gone to attend a podcast with some comedy people. And yeah, so while she is getting done with her podcast, I've just been practicing a little bit of music, and I think I'm gonna go back to sleep because I'm really sleepy. So that's what's up. Independent gals who wake up and sleep whenever they want to, but also get shit done. Yeah. So now the plan of the day is to think of at least one video idea. By the end of the day, probably manage to post an Instagram video. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. City of stars, are you shining just for me? City of stars, there's so much that I can't see. Who knows? I felt it from the first embrace I shared with you, that now our dreams, they finally come true. I think I was the one who was supposed to make it.
I just really wanted to use this,
Yeah.
which is so fun.
Surbhi and fancy tools. You're really fascinated with tools now, by the way.
I mean, this
Like
really
kitchen
makes your life
tools.
easy.
Yeah.
Imagine frothing this for like a half,
Oh no.
1 hour.
Yeah, that's a lot of pain.
And how fun is this?
It looks also like we're making ice cream or something.
Yeah. Zoom into this.
Beautiful. 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 La Magnifique.
More?
I think we'll add a little more water
Yeah.
in this and then we'll dust. Hi dear. Hope you're in the pink of your health. Good morning.
Wait a second. We'll be like some typing noise and then you come in. You know.
Oh. P.S. अगली बार P.S. अगली बार वॉशरूम में
Okay, you know what? Let's start from the beginning.
नहीं
कल रात को मुझे नींद नहीं है because तुम पूरा खराटे मार रही थी. So do something about that.
Stop hitting me. It's hurting me.
I know. Let's start again.
We are not starting again.
कल रात को तुम फिर खराटे ले रही थी क्योंकि मुझे नहीं.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल तो मैं पे कर दूंगी, पर तुम्हारे पापों का घड़ा जो रोज भरता जा रहा है उसका तुम क्या करोगी? सीसी गॉड.
And then you have to say
PFA
the number of yours sincerely,
yours obediently,
yours faithfully,
yours jealously,
yours truthfully,
yours trying to say something.
You used all the good yours up top.
You use them. What are you saying? Exactly
This whole thing again.
Yours jealously,
Yours full of faith and patience.
yours best regards and thank you. Bye, bitch. I think. So Surbhi, we just came at your balcony to see the weather and stuff. But what did we see instead?
We saw a couple of TikTok creators.
How do you know they are TikTok creators? TikTok is not even active anymore.
I just think that the passion with which they were following their art
Yeah.
is very TikTok of them.
Yeah, so this H1 Plaza जहाँ पे लिखा हुआ वहाँ पे दो बच्चे ऐसा TikTok वीडियो बना रहे. I think you can see a little bit of their heads. They were like wearing really neonish clothes.
Yeah.
And yeah, they were just dancing it off.
Yeah, dude.
And we were discussing how almost every house has a creator now. This is my. Now your turn.
Oh, it's my turn now.
Yeah.
I'm wearing my usual polka dot dress, but without a belt.
Yeah.
I wear this a
Not
lot.
really good dress.
I wear this a lot actually, but people can't tell. I just sometimes wear it with a belt to accentuate the waist area. That's
Yeah.
what I've learned from fashion.
That's the only thing we have. Cinch the waist.
Cinch the waist.
Yeah.
And then, but today
And then everything is sorted.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is Surbhi's office space. And I think I really like it. Like this couch and that overthink merch. And also this little Surbhi hanging out. That's my favorite part. So if Surbhi murders someone, don't even blame it on her because she has a license.
I do.
She told you guys.
I do have this license, which basically means that I can kill anyone.
Yeah.
So I have a license to kill. Actually, now I got this at my first reality show, Queens of Comedy.
First and the only reality
I'm the
show.
only one. But I'm actually, you know, okay, let's talk about the reality shows that I would
Yeah.
love to be on. And if
Okay.
somebody's watching this vlog and they're looking to cast for, what's that show? Dating Around on Netflix? Please sign me up.
Which show?
There's a show called Dating Around on Netflix, and that's a really good reality show that I want to be on. But I wouldn't mind Splitsvilla also.
Would you mind Indian matchmaking? Not really.
I won't mind any of this if it's a fun reality show experience where I get to see,
Yeah.
I get to meet people.
Guys.
Yeah.
Boys.
Why not? What is the reality show that you would love to be on?
I would. Well, I don't like the physical tasks part of it.
So no roadies. No
No
roadies.
roadies, no skulls and roses,
Uh-huh.
no splits
None of that.
None of that ish. I would definitely like Too Hot to Handle, but then I'm not too hot to be on that show. Like they only have those model type figures, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But like, okay.
And plus they do a lot of nudity and a lot of nangapan in that show.
So
and
that's
मैं तो कर नहीं पाऊंगी वो. Like I'm not even at that level of being comfortable.
But okay, how about this one? There is a show, हाँ पूरी लोग खतरों के खिलाड़ी, उसमें कुछ खाना होता है, आपको वो दे देंगे कैशू.
I do not have even one ball. I don't have any guts.
I don't know, if you can't eat a earthworm on command, then you can't be on खतरों के खिलाड़ी.
Yeah, I can't. I don't want to be on Khatron Ke
So
Khiladi.
while खतरों के खिलाड़ी is out, we're only left with one option now.
I would like to be on Comic Star.
I'm like MasterChef Australia. You just made some really good dal gona, so maybe.
Oh yeah, I could be on MasterChef India. Like I could beat people's ass. Like
Yeah, really?
yeah, I make good food.
You know how to make good
And I
coffee.
also make experimental food, and my mom is South Indian, so like I know great South Indian, I know great Punjabi food, and I'm a chatori myself.
Yeah, do
So
it.
I make like a lot of tikki chaat. and
Have you seen
stuff
that
like that.
YouTuber who starts every YouTube with "Hello Chatoros"?
Yeah, hi मेरी चिच्चू.
Hi,
कैसे हो?
चिच्चू.
मेरी मम्मी का favorite channel है. Cooking Shooting. He's such a cute guy. Like उसको मुझे इतना छोटा भाई
He
ऐसे
seems like
नजर
a
आता है.
child, but he's like cooking like extreme stuff. Hi, मेरे Chatoros.
हाँ, he starts off the channel like that, and then he'll like use 10 different ingredients and
What
make
would you
something.
call your fan base if you become a food chef?
Influencer.
Yeah.
What would I call them? I would call them whipasser. Like that's what I.
Whip ass.
Whipassers. Like because they
Whipassers.
whip shit like dalgona and stuff, and they also whip ass.
Wow.
Yeah. Like that's what I would call all of my fan base.
I love that.
Whipasser.
Whipassers. Can I be a whipasser?
Yeah, of course.
I'm a whipasser.
You want to be a whipasser? That's the secret.
I want to be a whipasser.
Okay. Hey, so it's my third day. Wow, I'm totally doing an introduction like a YouTuber. Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. No, I'm not like that in reality. But yeah, we spent most of the morning just chilling, and yesterday was a very productive day, and we made one video. If you haven't seen it yet, I will link it in the description. It's on my IG, and it's about if people talk like their emails. But yeah, we just had a great scrumptious breakfast by Surbhi's mom. उसका मुझे footage लेना चाहिए था, but sadly enough इस पूरे vlog में मैंने बहुत rare footages लिए. And basically we had a great poha and chai, and then pakoras we're gonna have, and we're gonna go to the city forest. Am I right? Yeah, so we're gonna go to the city forest and see you there. Bye. So we're outside Surbhi's house, and we're waiting for our Uber to come so that we can go to the city forest.
Specifically to see ducks.
And अभी ये बत्तखों के लिए खाना भी ले रही है.
Yeah.
Like this is legit happening. Ducks, if you don't show up, you're gonna be terribly sad.
You best.
At least she's gonna be terribly sad.
A pizza?
Haha, फेंक दी. Oh, you got it. We finally sat in the Uber, and we are going towards the forest. और मैं अपना कैमरा लाना भूल गई हूँ because I had one job that was to vlog this weekend, and I couldn't even do that right. So stay tuned for what happens. By the way, we have pizza for ducks.
Which is such a weird thing to say.
Yeah.
In a sentence. I've got pizza.
Pizza for ducks. What? Are you trying to poison them? We is here. Okay. So, chale?
Yeah.
Looks like a featured. Oh damn. This looks like a featured wala lake.
अरे मेरी यार मैं बोल रहा हूँ उधर देख रहे हो तुम
I already feel like I'm closer to nature and population.
Okay, look around you and tell me, where do you think people have come?
Everywhere.
This place right here,
Yeah.
I can see that someone has done
made
something.
out a lot.
They've definitely made out.
Definitely. And is there a monkey on our top? No. Okay. So look at this little spot that we found. We're gonna sit here. Yeah, dude. There's a lot of random dudes just hanging out and staring. So we got a guide, an unpaid one at that. हाँ हमने बता नहीं दिया है. So we are facing a lot of like just dudes here, and it's scaring us a lot. We're here at the rabbit zone and we can't see any rabbits. Can you spot any rabbits? Here, and we found the rabbit. Hello. How are you, cuties? Cuties. I think they just want something to eat.
I know, they just want to eat something.
And we haven't got them a thing. So you're in for some big disappointment, rabbitos.
No ducks given. No ducks.
Yeah, because there were no ducks given to us. We thought that we will find some ducks, but we instead found rabbits and weird men. That's what we found.
Lots of weird men.
Yeah.
That's a plus.
Yeah.
An additional feature of this park is
Lots of creepy weird men, and a very unsafe atmosphere overall.
But you can breathe and there's so much greenery around, so it's like a catch-22, you know.
Yeah.
Weird
like,
men, but lots
yeah.
of nature.
Either you decide you want to breathe, or you decide you want to breathe. You know, both ways. It's about your life. All right. Sayonara.
आप आराम से करो. ये तो मतलब स्किल्स है. OMG.
और ये हो गया ये ओपन.
Clap.
थोड़ा सा तो भारी होता है.
Wow. बर्तन धुल रहे. तो क्लैप बॉक्स भी आ गया है और चाय भी, और माहौल पूरा बन गया है क्योंकि हमने बना दिया है. Hey! Hi! So that was the end of our 3-day weekend vlog.
The door is about to make some noise.
How was your yesterday's experience at the zoo? At the forest, at the zoo.
I was just glad that you were with me.
Yeah.
And I wasn't alone.
Alone. Yeah, otherwise would you have gone alone if I wanted to?
I was really thinking going alone because none of my family was interested in like going to a forest.
Yeah.
I was like, I want to see nature. I want to go on a trail. Because
I want to see nature. Yeah, the true nature of men we saw.
Oh, by the way, something I didn't tell you. But last night I came back home and I was like, let me Google, is Ghaziabad unsafe for females? And that landed me on Quora's page. You know, and Quora is just full of experts.
Yeah.
One of the reply was this, that it was screenshot to show you. It says, "Is Ghaziabad safe for females?" One who replied, "Yup, it goes for good culture."
So that just explains how much safe Ghaziabad is. And I love the fact that you emphasize that Quora is full of experts.
Quora is an full of experts.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so that was our vlog. We hope you enjoyed it. Honestly, the part I enjoyed the most of this weekend was like filming that video with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the funniest bit, and like I wish that I get to do that more in the future with you and with like other comedians.
But overall, I really enjoyed your company.
Yeah,
And
same
it's
here.
fun to finally hang with a fellow creative person.
Creativity sparks. Creativity confetti. It's not there. So we're working on a song for Surabhi's
That
channel.
might be
Yeah.
out soon. No, I'm kidding. I will ponder on it so hard.
Yeah, she's already I'm like, we decided that we'll write the song in one day, we'll shoot it the next day, and now she's like, let me take my time. Yeah, so we still have to complete that. Thank you so much for watching.